Hey everyone, today I will show you how to fix Instagram widescreen problem, and here's how it is done. Open the settings on your mobile phone. Go to apps or application management. Find Instagram in the list of installed apps. You can search for it if needed. Tap on Instagram to open the app details. Clear cache and data. Tap on storage. Select clear cache. Then choose clear data or clear storage. Note that this will log you out of Instagram, so you'll need to log back in. Restart the Instagram app and check if the issue is resolved. This process refreshes the app by clearing any corrupted temporary data, which should fix the widescreen problem. If the issue persists, consider reinstalling Instagram or checking for app updates. And that is everything you need to know about how to fix Instagram widescreen problem. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.